Hi! Today I will show you how to make a cupcake in cartoon style. The tutorial created the cup and cake model, while the ice cream and stars were made by geometry nodes. Anyone can do it without sculpting techniques. Procedural generated materials. The creation of the cup and cake is done with basic operations. The shortcuts are displayed on the screen for you to understand. Here you hold the mouse and roll the middle mouse to get about 4 grid loop. If there is no face angles in select similar, it means you have not selected edge select mode. Increase the angle until the edges are fully smooth. Now it's time to make the cake. Displace is uneven because I haven't applied scale. I will make the cream part. This part is made with geometry nodes. I just need to create any object and go to geometry nodes to do it. Basically, the cream is spiral, so the first is the curved spiral node. There are many things here for you to customize. Add curve to mesh and star to create a cross-section cream. Now I use fillet curve to make the edges of the star rounded. To adjust the size of each part, one use a set of 3 notes: set curve radius, spline parameter, and float curve. Make little stars sprinkled on the cake. First, create a star object. Instance on points to replace the vertices of the cream with stars. Since I still want to show the cream, I have to use join geometry. Distribute points on faces will help me control the density of stars. I want the stars to rotate randomly, so I use random value for rotation. Now adjust the proportions of the parts accordingly. If you want the stars to be on the surface of the cake, then use join geometry to join cake and cream. Now I will create the material for the cream. I used render cycles and added the environment to get the light. Create the cream material and use the set material to add it to the cream. I made the cream pink. The protrusions will be lighter in color. Adjust the color ramp and colors until you are satisfied. The colors of the stars. The stars with random colors, each star has a color. The color of the chocolate cake is reddish brown. However, I will create normal so it has a more realistic look. The material of the cup is a bit more complicated. The dent due to contact with the cake will have a darker color. And another feature is that the top of the cup is not in contact with the cake, so both the convex and concave parts have the same color. You can also add normal to the cup the same way we did with the cake. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video is a great motivation for me to continue working. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep watching my new videos. Goodbye and see you again.